Hello everyone, welcome back. And this is another thought series in which are going to talk about responsive web design. So, let's start with the topic Introduction to the responsive web design challenges. Today, there are many types of devices that can access web. They change from large desktop computers to small mobile phones. These devices have different screen sizes, resolutions, and processing power. Responsive web design is an approach to design web content that responds to the constraints of different devices. The page structures and CSS rules should be flexible to accommodate these differences. In general, design the page CSS to your target audience. If you expect most of your traffic to be from mobile user, take a mobile first approach. Then add conditional rules for larger screen sizes. If your visitors are desktop users, then design for larger screen with conditional rules for smaller sizes. CSS gives you the tools to write different style rules, then apply them depending on the device displaying the page. This section will cover the basic ways to get CSS for responsive web design. So let's start and in the next video. So we will start in the next video from here. Till then, bye bye and thank you for watching.